I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need command access first. Make sure cheats are enabled or you are OP on the server. Once ready, load the world and open the chat box by pressing T on PC or the console command button. You're starting now. Being OP matters because creative menus won't change time otherwise. Also decide whether you want a single daytime moment or to lock daytime long-term. This choice changes the command you'll type next, so pick it before proceeding. Now you'll execute the core command. In chat, type /time set day or enter /time set 1000 for the exact tick value. If you want daytime to remain, run /gamma do daylight cycle false so the game stops advancing time. Once done, you can place a command block and set it to repeat with /time set day if automation is required. This is helpful on servers. Make sure you've got permission to place command blocks. Otherwise, finish by confirming the change. Look at the sky or press F3 in Java to read the time value. It should show 1000 for day. If you want to return to normal day/night cycles later, run /gamma do daylight cycle true. If the command didn't work, make sure you're OP or have cheats enabled, check for typos, and confirm you're in the right world. On some servers, plugins block commands, so contact an admin if necessary. That's the quickest fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.